Carbonia 2016. The dictator ready in his guise as the Antichrist, soon he will drop his mask of the good man, and you finally will know his true nature in Satan. First, he will bring peace, and then he will manifest in his true nature in Satan, and the tragedies, the persecutions will resume, will be the worst in history. In fact, they have been described even in the text of the Apocalypse of St. John. Let's try to understand. Luz de Maria, 2015. Pray, my children, for Italy. The great volcano will awaken to announce to my beloved people, be attentive here, that just as it awakens, those who do not love the Church of my Son have also awakened and are planning to enter into that territory. The awakening of a volcano will be the sign that the terrorists are coming. Antonio, a visionary in Capua, Caserta, 2003. I saw the sky open up. Inside it a horse, as white as snow, ridden by a knight dressed in armor, who, with the lance in his right, was driving Satan away from his path. In his left hand he had a large bow. We can see the image, a great bow, a knight sitting on a white horse that was mentioned in the message. So we are really talking about the first night of the Apocalypse, mentioned in Revelation 6, the night that starts the other apocalyptic events. In fact, after that it comes the red night, the black night, and the green night. He got off his horse and shot a burning arrow in the direction of a large volcano. The volcano, causing a huge eruption. My children, the vision symbolizes that God's chastisements are inevitable for the too many offenses against our Lord. The explosion of a volcano indicates that the chastisements of God have begun. In the Luz de Maria's message, she asking for prayers for Italy, talking about this volcano. So which volcano is this? Still Antonio, Capua, 2005. Taken in ecstasy, I saw in vision the Vesuvius that smoked lightly at the foot of the mountain to open a chasm from which came out millions and millions of knights of the same color of the volcanic lava, which headed towards the Solfatara of Pozzuoli. I asked the angel of the Lord the meaning of this vision, and he answered me, "My son, the chastisements of God will come out from the darkness. Soon there will be another scourge coming from the earth." San Bonico Apparitions Piacenza, message 85. Again, it describes a vision. Our Lady opens her hands and shows to Celeste a burning mountain. It really resembles a volcano, with lots and lots of blood and many headless people, the Islamic extremism. Let's recap. The first night of the Apocalypse, the White Knight shot an arrow at the volcano. From the volcano, some knights of the color of lava came out. So, the Red Knight. In fact, the Red Knight postpones the White Knight. As I said before, after the explosion of the volcano, it will come the persecutions, terrorist attacks. So, following the line of the speech, the Red Knight should talk about persecutions, decapitated heads, as I said before in the message of San Bonico, terrorism, throat slaughters. Revelation 6. When the Lamb opened the second seal, that is the second night of the Apocalypse, he heard the second living being shouting, "Come here!" Then another red fire horse came forth. The one riding it was given the power to take away peace from the earth, so that they would cut each other's throat. Here it is, each other, and a great sword was given to him. Here we can see the second night of the Apocalypse a little more specifically. Let's go back to the apparitions of Capua, message of 2006. A knight dressed as a centurion was riding it. In fact, this man is wearing the armor of the centurion, with a helmet and crest of blood red color. Here we can see the crest of blood red color. He had in his right hand a huge sword that shone like pure silver. Here is the sword. So the message is clearly talking about the second night of the Apocalypse. The blood red color is the color of the archangel Camael. In the Kabbalah, it means severe justice, the wrath of God, who allows men to cut each other's throats. The sword is made of pure silver. Sterling silver is an alloy between silver and copper, and it is more flexible than the pure silver. Therefore, the sword of pure silver means inflexible justice. Jihad does not only mean holy war. Jihad means effort. And there are 4 types of jihad. One is the personal jihad, therefore the effort against one's personal passions. Number 2 is the jihad of the word, to remember self-obligations and to convert. 3 is the jihad of the hand, to put into practice the Sharia. And 4th is the jihad of the sword, to fight the unbelievers. Therefore, the second night of the Apocalypse indicates just the persecutions that will arrive on church institutions, on the Christians, mainly by the hand of the Islamic extremists.